Hello guys, and welcome to lesson 3 of my CapCut Masterclass. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut, trim and split footages in CapCut PC. To begin, I'm going to be continuing from where we stopped in our lesson 2. If you've not watched lesson 1 and lesson 2, I highly suggest that you go back and watch them. To split your clip in CapCut PC, the first thing you need to do is to move your playhead to the position where you want to make that split. To conveniently do this, we can zoom into track as desired, or we can select zoom to fit timeline. And we can also select the preview option. What this does is, it allows us to preview every interval on our timeline so that we can move our playhead to that exact position. Now, as I'm hovering, you can see this yellow line that has appeared, and you can see that we can preview the screen to see the exact position to drag our playhead to. But if I come over here and I toggle off this preview option, if I move around my timeline, I cannot see those changes on my preview monitor. You can also use the left arrow key and the right arrow key on your keyboard to move to the exact frame you prefer. Now let's trim the right portion of this clip. The first thing you need to do is to select this clip and move your playhead to the exact position where you want to cut out the right. I'm going to move to the end of this sticker over here, and all you need to do is to come over to this position and select delete right. And as you can see, we've automatically cut out the right portion of this clip. Now to trim out the left portion of this clip, all you need to do is to move your playhead to the position where you want to trim it and make sure that you still have your clip here selected, and come over to this portion over here and select trim right. But what if you want to split a clip into two portions? All you need to do is to move your playhead to the position where you want to make that split and select the track layer that you want to split. I'm going to select my text over here and select split over here. And as you can see, we've successfully splitted this text into two portions. You can also come over to the end of your clip over here and hover around the end until you can see these two arrows appear. And now you can drag in or drag out to trim or restore this clip. Another way to split your clip is to come over to this drop down arrow over here and select it, and select the split tool over here, or you can hit letter B on your keyboard and move your playhead to the position where you want to split and come over here and make a split. To make this even better, you want to come over here and toggle on the preview option, and now if you come over your clip, you will see the portion you want to split. For example, you can come over here and scroll down and select split. Now to delete this portion, all you need to do is to come over to this arrow drop down and select the select key and select this portion over here and come over here and select the delete key. Now you'll notice that both the text and the graphics layer here was affected. To prevent any effect happening to the text and the graphics layer while splitting a track layer, all you need to do is to come over here and lock that layer and lock that layer. So right now, if I come over here and select a split key and I split here and I come back here and select the selection tool and I select this portion that I want to split and I delete that portion, you will notice that only this second layer here moved to this other portion, but the text and my sticker layer over here was not affected. And that's it guys on how to cut, trim and split in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video tomorrow.